Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up email to case in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to our setup, and from here we click on setup. We go to our quick find so we can search for our email to case, and basically we need just to search for email to case, and from here we will need just to click on this one, and basically you will need to make sure that it is already enabled. So I'm just going to click on continue, and from here you will need to make sure it is already enabled. So I'm just going to click on edit. You will need to enable it, and from here you can also enable the HTML, emails, etc., etc. And you can also start sending emails from case if you want to do so. So I'm just going to go and click on save, and basically we will need just this, and you can also let Salesforce handle incoming emails for you by enabling the on-demand service that we can also add. And basically, we click on here and we click on save. So now you can start configuring your email to case in Salesforce. So basically, you can start using your cases, and basically we can go to your case and you can start having your emails that can be sent from the case. So as we can see here, you can also add all the informations, and from there you can go to your cases and you can start uh, using your emails templates, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.